Before we end our lesson on biodiversity, maintaining biodiversity, let's do a quick summary of what we learned today. Biodiversity means having as wide a range of different species in an ecosystem as possible. So there are several types of organisms found in an ecosystem. When we talk about an ecosystem, it is a biological environment made up of living organisms that are interacting with themselves and their environment. Certain organisms are endangered. When we say endangered species, we are talking about organisms that are at risk of being extinct. Now, such organisms are called endangered species. They are known as endangered species, or they are tagged endangered species when the number of available habitats fall below a critical level, and also when their population falls below a critical level. Now, conservation is very important. It helps reduce damages to food chains and protects future food supply. Education and laws must be used as conservative measures. Now, we can educate people on the need for conservation. We can use laws to regulate the activities of people to prevent them from killing or cutting down trees. Also, we can use gene banks to help store genetic materials for future use. Examples of gene banks are seed banks and then the cryobanks. For the seed banks, they are used to store seeds of plants. The cryobanks are used to store sperms, embryo, and then eggs for future use.